recorded as friends. Oh. Okay. So this is message for Oprah Winfrey. Hi, Oprah. Wait, don't do like that. Oprah will be angry. Oh, hi, Oprah. Hi, Oprah. We just want you to promote our video. Because we really want to be famous. Yay! That's our dream since we were born. Yes, we're born to be famous. Like Dream High. You know, Dream High, that they were just kids, high school, and they become famous. Ah! We want to be famous. Because we're just making a video, so we will be famous. And you know, this is our tree house. Okay. Oprah, we really want to be a great singer and a great artist. Yes. We're good at art. We're good at everything. And really want to be famous. That's correct. Please give us a chance to live our dream. Give us. Hey, don't be crazy. Oprah. We're speaking to Oprah. Please give us a chance to live our dream. And give me. No. I just want to see a real Tarshir. I want to. No, sorry, Oprah, but I want to see a real Tarshir. Yeah, you know, we want to travel around the world. Bye-bye. Wait, stay there. Bye-bye. Yeah. Okay. So you really have to go. Bye-bye. Oprah, give us a chance. Bye. Okay, thank you, Oprah. Bye. I'm the Annalisa Gosh. You're the Gosh. Subscribe.